Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make place text animation effect in Capcut PC. So you're just going to add your clip, and then you're just going to add text, select the full text, or just like select the text template. But I'm just going to add the default text. um yeah, just for duration and the sunlight. So change the text just for the size and the position, and you're just going to click animation, select loop animation, and you can find the place animation. So just select it, and yeah, you can just for the speed for the place. Okay, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.